Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this military truck over here. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing over here is like, let's go into this. Let's take a line and I'll go over here and take a line and keep it over here in this way. So I'll just slightly drag it out, push it back, select the vertices. Let's slightly give a bit of fillet to it and let's make it as radial. I'll just keep it over here in this way. Again I'll go over here. Let's take a box. I'll take a box over here. I'll drag it till here in this way. This is kind of a glass, a mirror kind of stuff. So I'll just push it in this way. Convert to poly. So what I can do over here, I can just slightly shuffle this in line of this particularly, and let's take a tube over here. I'll just take a tube and let's just rotate it to 90 degree in this way. I'll shuffle it up. You can go over here and reduce the radius over here and reduce the height segments. So convert to poly, select this polygons and isolate this, and again I'll extrude it down in this way. So select this, shuffle it up in this way, and let's just mirror it in x axis and let's in z axis and just push it down. So similarly I'll do the same over here which we have done here. So I'll just keep it in this way. Now I'll go over here. As you can see, this is connected with something. So I'll just push it over here. I'll go into this front view and let's take a line over here, enable in viewport, make it as rectangular over here and drag it, push it up, push it out over here, go over here, select the vertices, drag it in this way and convert to poly. So once you're done with this, we can just go over here and slightly I can just go over here and put some nut bolts or something. Select this polygons. Slightly you can just assign inset over here and slightly I'll extrude it out in this way. Again I'll duplicate it over here. So similarly I can again mirror it. Let's just mirror it in z axis and let's drag this down in this way. So I'll just select this. Oops. I'll just select this and I'll make a copy of it. I'll just save the file once. So there are multiple details over here. So again, go over here, take again a line tool, right from this direction I can just drag it out in this way, and let's make it as radial over here, drag it in this way, reduce its thickness, push it out and slightly rotate it a bit, drag it over here in this way. So I'll just shuffle this, and if needed I can just push it in this way. Again, if you want some more references, you can go with that, some other references as well. Okay, this is a kind of a mirror or something that can be used. So I'll just go over here and let's take a cylinder over here. I'll just increase this sides, reduce its height and the height segments, and convert to poly. So select this polygons and slightly I'll give a bit of inset, and let's give bevel and click OK. Now again go over here, select this polygons, let's give inset, click OK, and I'll slightly just extrude it up a bit, not much. So select this edges and this edges, we can slightly assign a bit of chamfer to it and isolate. So just drag it over here, and if you want you can make it a bit more bigger over here and push it in this way. We can just resize it, and let's slightly rotate it, and we can just push it up over here in this way. So drag it up, so we can rotate it. So if you want I can just put the anchor point over here and you can rotate it. So similarly I'll again take a line and I'll off this auto grid and I'll just connect it over here in this way. So we do have some multiple details over here that we have added to it. Alright. So let's just save the file once. Now let's go over here. First we'll wind up this front part, so we can later on move to the back part. Let's take a box. First take a cylinder, reduce its height. Now we can take a box over here and we can just create this over here. We can just go over here and convert to editable poly, select the vertices, slightly just scale it, again go into this, let's give one or two connects over here, and let's just resize it. Now let's rotate it. What I can do over here is like I can just select this edge, let's give one connect over here, just drag it till here, and I can just push it down if needed in this way. So I'll just scale it slightly over here, and we can just make it smooth definitely. So I'll just go over here, I'll add some loops over here in this way. So let's add some loops over here. So let's give turbo smooth, and we can just resize, we can just push it down over here. Now just drag this out, shuffle it up, just drag it out, resize it, and push it out. All right. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So I'll just scale it a bit bigger because we have a glass somewhere over here. So we need to just push this up and drag it inside. So let's go into pivot point. I'll just push it over here so I can easily rotate it in this way. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.